Today we're going to introduce you to the actual chairs that we got. All right, now it took me about 15 to 20 minutes to put them together. Very simple to actually set up. All you got to do is follow the instructions, add the two plates, add the centerpieces, and then add the actual cushions. Now the cushions, I had to push them in because they're so new, and in order to line up the screws you got to actually push them in. So I like that it has a back in here, so stronger support. Leather feels real soft, real cushiony. All right, if you have like a bar like I do here, like a little stable for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or just to enjoy yourself watching YouTube on our actual system here and sitting down. Now it does have some feet in the bottom. You could adjust them so it could balance them out, and you could fix them so it doesn't have to be, if it's unbalanced your floor, you could fix that easily. So very simple to put together. Love the actual design. They have different various colors, but there's only one size, right? So you just got to make sure you measure it because it is long. Right, I'm gonna show you from here to the bottom, see how long it is. All right, from the bottom to the top, all right, it's about close to 24 and a half. All right, so the bottom to the top is 24 and a half. The right measurements if you have a long tall bar like I do. All right, and let me show you the bar size because these chairs are perfect because you could fit your feet in here, and I'm also going to show you the bar size. All right, from the bottom all the way to the top I got 36. Right, this is a perfect level for these chairs to fit. It's at 36 inches. Right, so very simple, easy to use, easy to install. Hope you guys enjoy the video.